We'll go to Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay. Gagawa tayo ng YouTube Shorts. Okay. Ito yung na-edit na natin. Okay. Kung paano ko ginawa ito, through speed run. So press the R. First the R for shortcut for rate, stretch, or ripple end. And then after we cut all the clips, next step is go to this panel and then right click, new item, and then adjustment layer, and then drag and drop. Okay, and then rename it. Right click and rename adjustment, or shall we say correction. Next, we will go to color tab, and in this color tab panel, we will go to basic correction. Adjust the whites. And then next we will adjust the contrast, and adjust the highlights, and then we will select the white balance selector. Select the whitest part or the brightest part of our image or video, and then adjust a little bit, and also the saturation, bring up a little bit the saturation. And then next, new adjustment again, and then drag and drop, and right click, rename it to creative. Then we will go to creative panel, then choose whatever you like, depending on your downloaded lots, and then adjust the intensity, depends on your taste, and then add a little bit faded film, and then sharpness depends on you, and in my case 12.4, and the vibrance just a little bit to 25. And then if you're happy or didn't satisfied the result, let's tweak some more. Adjust some more highlights. At the same time, adjust the contrast and the white balance. Okay, bring down a little bit shadows. and a little bit more. Bring down a little bit more the contrast. Shadows, bring up more. And let's see. Okay, so here's the before and the after. And the rest, we shall add a sound effect.
Hit me with that, hey, we need to talk. Hit me with that, hey, we need to talk. Goddamn, girl, can we get along? We always fighting over nothing. I'm gonna finish what you started, oh yeah. And I ain't been nothing but real with you. Went through my phone, I was still with you. I was trying to work this out, but you be still true. Know you wanted this to be for real, but I don't.